110 million years ago, the Earth looked incredibly different. 7 things that have not disappeared since then, however, are the sea turtle species, making them one of Earth's most ancient creatures. Unfortunately, 6 of these 7 species are considered threatened or endangered due to human actions and lifestyles. If the trend that has been set in the past continues, some of the species of sea turtles could be extinct by 2025. This fate must be avoided. Humans have a responsibility to sea turtles, as the main threats to the turtles are of human creation: poaching, fishing, development, and pollution. The loss of sea turtles would affect poachers and conservationists alike. Animal stakeholders include the various marine animals that they eat, such as jellyfish, crustaceans, and small fish. These animals would then in turn affect the rest of the ecosystem. The energy that would have flowed from these animals to the sea turtles and vice versa will then be halted, and the energy would have to be redistributed, changing the structure of the ecosystem. With the change to the flow of energy, it is entirely possible that something catastrophic could occur within the ecosystem, such as an invasive species wreaking havoc or the endangerment of other marine animals. Conservationists are working to improve the condition of sea turtle population through various scientific methods. The foremost of these include using knowledge of their life cycle in order to increase the number of eggs that would hatch. This sometimes includes moving nests to nature reserves or putting them in hatcheries, away from predators and poachers. It is also necessary for conservationists to understand which areas in the ocean the turtles usually inhabit. To do this, they may employ the use of satellite technology or the more traditional method of tagging. This great environmental issue is actually quite multifaceted and can be interpreted in many contexts. For example, one of the major threats to sea turtles can be looked at from an economic standpoint. Poaching for turtle shanks and eggs is very profitable. Depending on the location, eggs can be sold for over $1 each. A nesting turtle lays up to 100 eggs per nest. That's really good money for a couple hours of work, and not even including the shell. It definitely beats working in some of the local plantations, where workers will earn only $15 for a very long day's work. Turtle eggs are poached only to be sold. Therefore, if eggs buyers are educated on the sea turtle population, demand for the eggs could lower and the price could decrease. This basic economic principle of supply and demand could hopefully help to increase the population. The decline in sea turtle population can also be looked at from a political standpoint. In order to truly protect the sea turtles, many different countries and cultures must share responsibility and cooperate with each other. Both local and international laws all play a part in long-term conservation methods. For example, sea turtles are given protection in the United States under the Endangered Species Act. This makes it illegal to harass, harm, kill, import, or sell any sea turtles, eggs, or turtle products. If an increased number of countries could adopt a similar conservation laws and regulations, it is possible that we can create change. In conclusion, the fate of the sea turtles will be determined by how much we are willing to do in the coming years to aid their cause. Nothing will ever get done if no one works towards a better future, as there has been no considerable increase in turtle populations in the last 2 decades. We cannot sit idly by as another creature from our world is lost.